Hello friends, this is the last part of Codeigniter Login Register System from scratch, and in this part we will discuss code after login and how can we log out from Codeigniter application. So, here after login into system page will redirect to private area controller, so we have go to private area controller. And under this first we have write construct magic function. This function will execute block of code, when object of this class has been created. Under this function we have write parent class with construct method. Here we have extend parent class construct method. Below we have write if statement. And under condition we have write $this with session object with user data method with ID. If this session ID variable has not any value, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write redirect method, and under this we have write login controller name. If user is not login into system, and directly access this page, then page will redirect to login form. After this we have make index method of this controller. This is the root method of this controller. Under this first we have write echo statement with welcome user message with logout page link. When user click on logout link, then it has called logout method of private area controller. So for logout code we have go to private area controller, and here we have make logout method. This method will clear all session variable. User will log out from system. Under this method we have write $data variable is equal to $this with session library with all user data method. This method will return all session data, which we have store under this $data variable. For fetch session data from this $data variable, we have write for each loop with $data variable as $row variable with $row value variable. Under this loop we have write $this with session library with unset user data method with $row argument. This method will remove session variable one by one. After removing of all session variable, page must be redirect to login page, so here we have write redirect method, and under this we have write login controller name. It will redirect page to login form. Now friends, we have click on login link. After click on login link, page has been redirect to login form. Now first we want to check validation working or not. Login, so we have directly click on login button. After directly click on login button, on web page we can see validation error like email and password is required, so here required field validation working. After this we have enter invalid email and password and click on login button, so on web page we can see invalid password error on web page, so this validation also working. Now we have enter wrong email address and wrong password, and click on login button. After click on login button, we can see wrong password error on web page. Same way we have enter right email address like johnsmith124@mailinator, and wrong password, and click on login button. After click on login button we can see wrong password error on web page. Now we have enter right password, and then after we have click on login button. After click on login button, page has been redirect to new page, on which we can see welcome user message and logout link. Suppose we want to log out from the system, so we have click on this logout link. After click on logout link, login user has been log out from system and redirect to login page. So, this is complete register and login system tutorial in Codeigniter framework, in which we have store password in hash format, and validate hash password details for login using encrypt library. Here we have also learned how to verify the email address of register user by sending email verification to register email address. By click on verification, user can verify his or her email address. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.